In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect to Brave VPN. First, let's make sure you're running the latest version of the Brave browser. Updates often include important fixes and the newest VPN features, so it's worth checking before you begin. Brave typically updates itself, but you can confirm by opening the browser menu and heading to the About Brave page. If an update is available, let it install and then restart the browser so everything loads correctly. With Brave updated, look for the VPN button in the top right corner of the address bar. The icon looks like a shield with a small lock on it. It usually sits alongside your extension icons. If you keep a lot of items in your toolbar, it might be tucked into the overflow area, so glance there as well. Once you spot the shield with lock icon, you're in the right place. Click the VPN icon to open the panel. If you already have an active subscription, you'll see an option to connect. Go ahead and select that, and Brave will begin securing your connection. If you're new to Brave VPN, you should see a Start Free Trial option. Select it to begin and follow the prompts in the panel. The connection process is straightforward, and you'll get a clear indication when you're connected. If you don't have a subscription yet, the panel will direct you to account.brave.com. Use that link to sign up or log in to your existing account. The website will guide you through choosing a plan and completing checkout. Keep the browser window open while you finish. Once your account is set up, return to the VPN icon in Brave and click it again to connect with your new subscription. If you don't see the VPN button at all, don't worry, there's a quick fix. Open Brave settings, then go to Appearance, and under Toolbar, look for the option labeled to Show VPN button. Make sure that option is turned on. As soon as you enable it, the shield with lock icon should appear in your address bar. If it doesn't show up right away, close and reopen the settings page or restart the browser, then check again. That's all you need to get Brave VPN up and running. Update Brave to the latest version, find the shield with lock icon, connect or start your trial, sign up or log in at account.brave.com if needed, and, if the icon is missing, enable the Show VPN button in Settings. Follow these steps, and you'll be connected in just a few minutes.